Morning YouTube. Today's starting out a little bit differently. Starting out with a bit of a sandwich. Now don't worry, those of you who know me know I always start out with a cup of coffee. It's good tuna fish there. So I got coffee to go with it too. Now hang tight, because today we're going to look at how to use a tuna fish can to make a replacement grate for your beast smoker. So let's get this show on the road. Thought I'd stop by on the way. It's early February, and you can see the bees are starting to come out, doing a little house cleaning. There's Shadow down there helping out. She's going to learn a hard lesson, I fear, in a minute. But yep, got my Doctor Who coffee cup. Let's get this show on the road. All right, and here we are out in the messy workshop, but it is what it is. And we have a bee smoker. Now, if you look down inside the bee smoker, dump it over, there is no grate in there. Some time ago I accidentally dumped out the grate with the ashes and whatnot and never did find it, so I ended up crafting a replacement. Now, I mentioned it in my beginning beekeeping video on equipment, and a couple people sent me a message and asked, hey, show me how you did that. So there is actually a quick little blog post on how to do it, but figured I'd go ahead and throw together a quick video because, man, there's nothing to it. Step number one you've already seen. Go ahead and make that tuna fish sandwich and enjoy it. Okay? You'll see I've got empty tuna fish can here. And the next step is we're going to go ahead and pop some holes in this. Now, the first time I did this, I ended up using a nail and just popping them through. This one I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to drill slightly larger holes, see if it helps airflow a little bit better. So let me get that set up and we'll show you how it's done. Alright, and you'll see my drill press is set up. You can do this with a handheld drill. It's just, I'm hoping it's a little easier to hold it all together with the drill press. What I'm going to actually do is drill several holes in here, and you'll notice I left the can pretty much intact because as I drill the holes I want that to help give a little bit of the structural integrity there. And there we've got that. You can see I've got several holes in there. The next step is just as easy, although you will want to make sure that you're careful not to cut your hands on this next part. So you may want to use gloves. I'm not going to, just because I'm kind of ignorant that way. But you have been warned. Alright, for this next bit, let's get you a pair of tin snips. What you want to do is you just want to cut some little leg stands out of it, so that it'll be able to stand up. This isn't rocket science here, so just cut you a couple spots. Remember, this isn't really holding any real weight, so take that tuna fish label off. Advertising for Star Kiss there. Good tuna, by the way. What you're going to do is you're going to fold these guys out. Like I said, remember, this part can get a little sharp. These little edges, yeah, you'll know it in a minute if you hit one. You just kind of fold those other pieces in so you can get those tin snips down in there. There's that one. Let's see, cut a little. Piece there maybe. Also be careful where you drill through there. You got some little sharp pieces hanging down there too. And cut that off as well. Then you'll just want to take something and bend those sharp pieces back in. Of course, once again, in my infinite wisdom, here I am using my bare fingers. But you're free to use pliers. And voila, what you have now is a replacement bee grate, or bee smoker grate, I should say. Got that label off of there. And you'll see, bring the bee smoker up here, it actually fits down there pretty well. Cost, you know, what's it cost? 79 cents, something like that for a can of tuna. A couple slices of bread, a little bit of mayonnaise, salt and pepper. If you're one of those folks that likes pickles in there, go ahead. I'm a jalapeno kind of guy. But boom, replacement bee smoker, or a smoker. And that's about it. If you end up losing your smoker grate, dump it out on accident, it breaks. I mean, these things that come in most smokers are not the highest of quality metal. Just go have you a sandwich, man. I mean, doesn't cost you but around $1 to replace it and get to have a sandwich in the process. So, any questions or anything, go ahead and comment below. Hit like, hit subscribe, please. We do appreciate it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Y'all take care.